we're gonna show you how to take things in your pantry and turn them into delicious meals. This is what we're making today. Slow roasted canned Italian tomatoes. So you start with a can of tomatoes. These are just whole tomatoes. Don't get diced ones, don't get crushed ones, get the whole ones. I always have these in my pantry because you can do anything with them. You're gonna want a spoon to take the tomatoes out of the sauce so that they stay relatively whole. Any tomato is really rich in lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that helps support both your physical and your mental health, which we both need that right now, am I right? These are all the medical studies I read about lycopene before doing this video. I promise you, this is science-backed. When you take all the tomatoes out of the can, you're left with this amazing tomato sauce. Hold on to it because you can top pasta with this. Once you have your whole tomatoes out, all you want to do, very simple, slice them in half lengthwise. And then place your tomato halves on the pan. Generally, when I make these, 1 can of tomatoes equals 1 pan of roasted tomatoes. Next step is to drizzle it with olive oil. I use about 1/4 cup, but you use however much you're feeling today. And now just a little bit of salt and pepper. Just enough to bring out the flavors of the tomato. If you want to zhuzh it up a little and you have some thyme, you can put some thyme branches on here. Don't worry about it if you don't have any herbs or spices in the house. These are going to be perfect the way they are. If you have a head of garlic lying around the house, this is a great time to roast it. So you'll notice I'm not peeling them. I'm just putting them whole right here. Super easy. So you set the oven at 325 and you pop the tomatoes in and you forget about it for 1.5 hours. It's been 90 minutes. The house smells amazing, and I know because my kid told me so. Let's take them out. Oh, yes. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So my favorite way to eat these is to take a little sliver of Parmesan cheese, pop the garlic out of its skin, and put it all on top of a roasted tomato. I like eating it just like this. The roasted garlic got a little crunchy. Other things you can do with roasted tomatoes is just mash them up with a fork. It makes an amazing concentrated pasta sauce. I can't change everything about the world, but I can make it a little more delicious. In just a couple of minutes of hands-on time, I just made my life a lot happier. I'm Mary Beth Albright with the Washington Post. Don't forget to subscribe.